You can fix it over there. Roll it up. No, hold on. This one. Okay, this one. This? Is this a loose right? Yeah, it is. Look, you think it's rolling? Yeah, that's supposed to. I know what happened. Yeah, tight the hip back. Everything happens to my right now. The other one. Yeah. Hold on, this is how you do it. Roll. No, bye. No, no. Yo traigo lo que quiero. Más allá de luz. O un poco, hablamos por aquí. Pero hablamos por aquí. Kalau ya satu dia apa? Jadi kita lagi satu kuliah dia apa? Oke. Hah? Ini masih lagi. No, make sure the picture right. I want to see why you don't take this.
You're forgetting the main one, the big.
Right? So by doing this, I don't know if you need it. You need to have that one. Not just 30, not 30 of the 80s, 30, 60, 90. Over there, under the tree, you can see while I fish. That's it, you get anything?
So far he got those. So we're gonna use the shrimp as a bait.
I got the worms in this one.
I think we should take the worm and put it in the cooler.
Yeah, right here. Worms is in here. It's already in the cooler.
daming tao doon.
Ito. You can use it if you want.
I go there for sure.
I'm gonna try this one. Look at that. Jalal got the best spot.
Going to start over there. I don't want to go there. Alright guys, this is how brown people goes fishing. This is how we fish. Doesn't matter how many fish we catch, we go all out about the food, okay? So enjoy.
I need a swimming there. We have to use this one for both.
Oh wow.
That's good food. What happened to music?
Looks like we have a piece.
Come on. Okay, so this one, all of this one we'll put it on top, okay? Sit down, please. Don't be shy. Just take like this. You're the oldest one here. You gotta be the first one to eat. And this is spicy?
Not that much.
Yeah, because I'm in Saudi before.
Only for you, we didn't put that.
Yeah.
Put too much.
How many years in Saudi?
That's beef.
This beef and
I was there 1982 to 1991. So, before it's only a contractor. Then later on I was employed in the Ministry of Agriculture.
What's this? What?
that one? You know who that is. You don't have to ask questions.
This one is good.
Which one? That one?
Yeah. I'm working with the Aramco.
Oh, your good salary. Oh my goodness. Aramco,
Yeah.
the highest paid mammal in Saudi Arabia.
Yeah, it is. Highest paid what?
Highest paid.
Do you need a
Because it's an American company, no?
We are only receiving in our company $1,400.
Oh.
But they receive around $2,000 to $3,000.
We have to go minimum 3,000. The hiring start.
Yeah, 3,000.
Yeah, the beginning.
And the Saudi there knows how to talk Filipino.
For me, man. Oh, that's not good. I'm going to stop now.
Who's fishing rod is this? You sure?
Yeah,
Huh? Is this your fishing rod?
that's mine.
Why you have a lot?
I want to try with try and see which one is better.
Small one is better, I told you. If you just catch him first. This one is good.
You're right. That's what I thought.
Yeah.